What's up, YouTube? We out here with that VWs. VW gang. We out here with that VWs. Look at this.
Don't zoom in my Android, bro.
Yeah.
Go all up this mountain and shit.
I bet, let it rip.
He got it going!
Looks like a nice size. Perfect. Alright guys, we're gonna start to bondo. So I'm gonna start to bondo the interior of the car. So should be really easy. I already practiced on the dashboard, but that's for a separate video. But yeah, so since this video might go out before that video, we're using bondo body filler. But it's at Home Depot for like 15 bucks. This whole gallon. That's really crazy. $15. It comes with the hardening cream. Yeah, we're gonna go fill in all these cracks. Well, honestly, we're gonna go all the way around the whole thing. So we're going to be going around the whole thing. I kind of vacuumed in here and stuff. I didn't want to do too much. Whoops. I didn't want to do too much sanding and stuff yet, because after I do the bondo and stuff, then it's going to sand it over again. So, but we're going to be filling in the body filler in these cracks where they were too far away from the wall to fill in with weld. Like here and here. This was like an experiment on how much weld I need to put to fucking do it. Welds look like shit, but I blame the Harbor Freight mold. It's not me. It's completely not me. So same with the other side. Spots where we want to fill up and make them watertight. Interesting. Alright, cool. So, alright, thick layer of bondo all over on both sides. Now it's time to get the sanding. Got this nice 60 grit, and with this, I can get the angles just like that and go across, make it look smooth, flush, and OEM. At least close to OEM. So, let's get started. Alright guys, taking a break from this flow. So check out something else. Alright, so this shifter, it's definitely a shifter. It's from the 80s, honestly. But you only have one choice, you know what I mean? You only get these type of shifters because they have this oval kind of flange, and it goes on this with this rubber piece right here. You don't really have much choices in shifters. So, decided to think of something, trying to get this BG shifter on here. It's definitely not going to go like that. And that would actually look really nice, really highlight that. So, thought of something with this. So, we got this, same thread. The threading, we're going to adapt it to a M10 by 1.25. It's like really like standard threading. I can fit all types of different shift knots on here. So what we're gonna do is just screw this onto that and see the height where I want it, and then we're going to cut off the top where I want it and then weld it on. Once we weld it on, we have, like, you know, basically this. Perfect. You can use whatever shifter. So let's get to that. So essentially I might want it up here, probably, or maybe a little bit lower than that. You gotta remember, like, the length of the shifter, it screws into about here. So if I was decided to get a smaller shifter one day, the shift would be like all the way down here if I make it do that. So you don't want that. So I'll probably put it to about this height. Yeah, that seems about perfect. So we're gonna mark it, cut it, weld it. Nice and aligned and stable as hell. Alright, properly adapted. Also bought these seals too, so we can change these to the roof seals. It's further protecting the car. So let's hope it's enough. Alright, so that's on there. It looks 10 times better than the other seal. It's like seal here and like a double layer of seal. Only thing is the lip was a little bit smaller than what I expected to be. So I'll probably take these up and fill it with some black silicone or whatever. Something that's watertight. But it's still on there good, so. Mission accomplished. What's up, YouTube? This is probably like an intro at the end of the video. So, there's been a major big break in between. So, you know what? It's alright. Your boy just got his bachelor's degree in architecture. So, I'm pretty hyped right now. So, the gap was totally necessary. Take time and focus on school. So, sheesh, is water in the car. So, as you can see, we fully painted the flooring black. And we have goals to put down the carpet. Yeah, I don't know what happened to the footage of me painting this shit black, but whatever. So, gotta figure out what part of the roof. Oh wow, I found the culprit. The front part of the roof is leaking. If you guys can see that. So I guess I gotta put more seals on it. That's really annoying. I done packed this shit up with so much seals, it's not even sitting flush anymore. But I guess. Alright, so I'm gonna start to continue more work on this car. You guys are gonna start to see more and more videos back to back now, because a lot of free time because school is done. So Alright, so in the next video, I'm gonna be working on the carpets, the roof seals again, apparently. And we're throwing in the seats and the dashboard. So, stay tuned for that. Sheesh, this door is heavy. Alright, guys. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Don't forget, never stop modifying.